What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with the 350Z again. We're gonna be fixing the oil leak on the valve cover gaskets. I'm only gonna do the driver's side because that's the only one leaking, so wish me luck. Hopefully we can get this leak sorted out by the end of the video, or else I'm just gonna throw the whole car away. After I do the valve cover gasket, I'm gonna lower the car just a little bit, maybe like half an inch to an inch, and we'll go take it for a spin. I'm gonna start removing the air intake and then the intake manifold. It's got a bunch of 10s. Disconnect the sensors, disconnect the coil packs, disconnect this harness. I did it once already and it wasn't that bad, so. Alright, broski, so I got it off. So the first time I did the valve cover, I think I showed you guys that the seal was smashed. I used silicone and then I threw them back on, but then I noticed that right here there's a bolt that's stripped, that's broken inside, so I'm gonna have to extract it because the second time after I threw it back on, it was leaking from this side. So I'm thinking, since it doesn't have the bolt, it wasn't pushing down all the way, so it was it started leaking from there. So I'm gonna try to extract that bolt and then put a new one. A ver qué pasa. And then obviously I'm gonna throw the new a new seal. Pinche yonke. Tiene hasta el culo. Check it out, broski. This is my favorite part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I don't know why that's so satisfying. So I'm gonna throw this shit away. Trash. Alright, broski, so the bolt has been extracted. It works now. Mira nomás. So that's good. I'm gonna get the valve cover cleaned up and then we'll slap everything back on And like I said, hope for the fucking best. Alright broskies, I just finished up. My camera died, but we good now. The car is on. No leaks on the manifold so far. I'm gonna take it for a spin real quick and then make sure it doesn't leak oil anymore. Ahorita vamos a ver qué pedo. Ojalá ya no liquee aceite y lo hayamos arreglado. ¿Qué les parece el volante? Tiene stitching moradito. Está chido. Drives really good.